Nollywood actor Victor Nwaogu. I didn't show so many of you. I didn't describe her. That my people in don't come off for market too. Many of una wey be the IAMs, they use style the IAM. I beg they don't carry am. If una see this girl, I beg. This one na our own grandpa. You understand? Now they planning wedding. In fact, you don't. I beg, bros Victor from 101 TV. Yeah, we dey wish you. In fact, I wish I fit even send you money this evening. I go think. You understand? We dey wish you well. You understand? Make everything go well. Enjoy your marriage. You know easy. You know easy, my people. You know how hard it dey for people like this, all these dwarfs. You know how difficult it dey. May they get one place for this our society where they like this. You know how hard it be. Even for some people where they normal, where get height, where they get money, all those things. Some of them say still they hard. Then imagine person like this. Not to talk of you don't even become celebrity on top of the matter. You know Daisy. Now many bad belle people, backbiting, haters, many people they just come outside, they give. I bet see, make we learn to appreciate people where they top. Because all of us we want reach there. If you know sabi appreciate people, your own no go come. You understand? It is very, very important. Even normal top people self. Now go still they talk. See, nobody they perfect, oh. Nobody they perfect. My small brother. I wish you well your marriage. I bet no verse I they call you small brother, you understand? But if you think I'm well self, you be my small brother. Okay, maybe by age you senior me, you understand? That one self, nobody will never know because you don't know my age. Abi, you know my age. They don't write up for face. But by height, don't even see that one. No argue, no triumph. You understand? So just take her like that. Say you be my small bros. Are they very happy for this guy? Oh, Omo, see your woman fine die. Una no see the girl. This guy get taste. In fact, he enter market on a Sunday. He select better goods. But the girl look expensive. Now my fear be that I just all these expensive girls now. Wow. But my people, why be say all these dwarfs? Why be say they get big eye for big things? Una never notice. See grandpa. That one travel, check all the corners, all the countries. He can't end up for Cote d'Ivoire. Boom. If una see Ibeke, Bakassi Peninsula. Hey! Now wow. See this one now. This one don't go look for beauty. No, I beg. See, this thing they very, very serious. Why I bring this matter on a table today? Now because I don't tire for some people hypocrisy, wickedness. They talk, they gossip, they don't. If you not see how they mock these people for Twitter, the thing, he enter me. I say lie. I must bring this thing come aside, and I must expose some people. When they our tallest, all of una wait tall finish like Iroko tree. Upon your height, 6 packs, pink lips, wait again. Upon all that one, according to now get fine face, baby hair, coily hair. Una still the single. Upon all that one, nobody wanna go point. So we go come outside and say, okay, this is my boyfriend, not to talk of husband. Well now, who dash una husband? But una fit sit down, talk about person. Make una learn. If una like talk from now to tomorrow, they don't date together, nothing go put them asunder. You understand? I better bring my wife, come outside, make her get serious matter to discuss with this one. My sister, now only one question bring me here. One, see, as I did like this, one. I just want the truth, nothing but the truth. You understand? I beg, now private something, just me and you. This guy, Gundus, Alpha, he big, he small, he normal, like how? Because I just you understand? Now me and you, just tell me. My people, I go keep it to myself. Now next time when I go hear this one. Now wow. Because I don't dey wonder say, wetin this fine girl go dey find with this guy. Abeg na secret, na secret. And I dey ask am too because as e be like this, Short Men's Wives Association at the enter inside. You understand? So all of una, Short Men's Wives Association, because see me, oh, I dey very single and I'm ready to mingle. Before depression go catch me, kill me, bury me, I beg. E no better pass all those top people wey dey talk for nothing. I no insult anybody, I just say, you understand? My people na the matter be this, abeg no time. Abeg make sure say you comment, drop that comment. E dey very important. I share this video, like am because I know say you enjoy am. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Sharp, sharp, sharp. Just click on that thing, you understand? So that you no go dey miss anything wey we drop here. Meanwhile, wait for the next story. All the Valentine lovers, hey, una wey know say una get partners and una partners get una. My people, I don bring una matter straight from Don Jazzy and Peruzzi. Hey, no be small advice, oh. Now they don't come out. They say that they give una advice, no be me. Una, you understand? According to them, they say any of una wey no say una go do Valentine gift this period. Make una call una partner, whether you be man or you be woman. Call your partner, ask and say, baby, what are we? Abeg for una wey no know wetin dey talk, how they talk am. Una wey no even know who be Don Jazzy. I don bring una the matter, so join me, make we watch the video.
This Valentine.
No shit.
Before you buy anything, ask your partner, what are we?
What are we? Oh, simple question.
What are we?
Confirm very well.
Don't go buy gift for birthday.
Don't go buy gift for another person's baby.
Somebody continue.
Just confirm. I'm helping you.
What
Just
are
confirm.
we?
Ask your partner, whoever. What are we? Just be sure you can be sure. This is because some of us not sure again.
Hey, wetin we no go see again? I don tire for stingy men. Stingy men. Stingy men, na dem dey ask questions pass. Na dem dey worry pass. Any small thing they wan know. My people, even wetin no even need question. They go dey give you questions back to back. Baby, what is it? Child. See, my people, any man wey dey give you freely from your heart. I not to say make you abuse am, but una go understand, una go even agree with me. Once you say, oh baby, I want to make my hair, they go just, you understand? They go just give you. Some of them, like this one where they talk about. Hey, your hair, why? When did you make this hair? Baby, it's not old. Even if your hair they smell, they go tell you say, baby, the hair is not old. The hair is not. Stingy men. Hey, Chineke. Now then go, you just ask man for phone now, for instance. Baby, I need a phone. No, baby, I go later. They go just they give you many excuses. When you hustle by yourself now, come buy that phone. Come see questions. Like say you go interview. And they go even join you use that phone. Oh. Hey, some people just they make my head they turn up and down. I beg women, search before you date, oh, because these ones they are type. You go just come outside for public, they beg last. I dey tell una serious matter. Now they don't come and they tell us this one. Oh. See, if any stingy man call you this Valentine, now not say Valentine period, he just did the corner now. So make una dey alert, dey attentive. Oh. If any of them call una, ask you say, baby, what are we? I don't bring una simple answer. Just tell her say, we are not happy. Just tell them that one. Because I'm not even serious. Why they, in fact, bring this big head outside. Sorry, Don Jazzy. You don't understand? I better come outside, my brother. See, you don't create enough problem for this society like this. For people relationship. You don't plenty. I don't tire. Your matter. You don't. The cup don't full, my brother. First of all, you know say already Nigerian guys they stingy. You can't endorse them now with Stingy Men Association of Nigeria. I bet who send you message? You just weak. You don't know, my people, now we dey suffer, we the girls. This one just bring problem now on top our head. Problem wey we dey try solve since. E don't even come make Chineke. I'm not surprised. No, me, I know they surprised. The only reason why I bring her because I want make una know me. Hey, what do you expect? Person wey carry mama blood. In case una no know, na Igbo blood dey flow through this boy vein like this. He carry am. No any small thing problem. See, Igbo men, they dey very few. When you see say Igbo person they help you, they dey very few. You no fit count them. This one very tight. The hand, after going hand no fit open. Every time na so e dey. Na so e dey. Na hey, wahala don't wear bone straight. See, make una no attack me. Because I know say see I dey see una now. Una don't they give me eye left. This one they give me eye right. No be me talk am. I just they bring una. This one a matter wey person personally tell me say Madam Aproko na this thing don't happen. So now she can't tell me this one. Now why I even bring her? So before una go kill me before my time, I beg allow me drink water drop cup. I beg make we watch the girl wey open her mouth by herself. Tell me this matter. Let's watch the video.
Imo State guys have the most evil mind among other guys in Nigeria. If you know you are dating any broke Imo State guy, my sister, get ready to cry for heartbreak once small changes start entering his hand. He will bring an attitude that you never believe is living in him. Like when they are broke, they can be so humble, respect, and can even wash any woman's periodic pants. Period panties once they are broke. But once small money start to enter their hands, they will start forming boss, start forming this, start forming that. So if you know you date any broke Imo State guy, and you know when leave him, you must leave him. Once he start making money, you must cry and you must day your day. Because he's not going to date you. They are evil. They have bad mind and evil mind. Now me talk am.
Now wow. I just wonder now say which Igbo man now don't come pieces this one heart. I be waiting they do you, my sister. My people, I know me, I no ask her, but as she tell me this matter, I no ask her because I don't know say the thing they see, but as now as they see her, they don't break this girl heart. Chai! Una see what I just talk about. No, una see am. It go soon happen for una. So they alert. See, remember this question, baby, what are we? Now the trending question now. So anywhere you hear her, just know say, now them. You understand? So make una eye dey open very well. My sister, when they don't break your heart, you don't come outside. I beg, sorry, take heart. You understand? Don Jazzy. Peruzzi, see, make una behave una self. You understand? Make una not allow me look for now. Because we don't see, una don't do enough. He don't do. We need this Valentine's time. See, we need flex the bone straight hair, the expensive bags, and you understand? No come spoil the mentality of our boyfriends. I beg you, no come spoil market for us. My people, how una see am? Because na the case, so drop your comment. I want to know what you una think concerning this matter. Because now they come after us. Where are the ladies? They don't plan for us. So this one, no look at say they talk anyhow. Now us you understand? So I want to know what you think. Drop am for the comment section. It is very, very important. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen. Don't forget, I love you. See you later.